Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza simple. First, let's create the perfect dough. Combine 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let it bloom for 5 minutes. Then, add 2½ cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes until smooth, then let it rise for 60 minutes. Now let's talk about the heart of your pizza, the sauce and toppings. For a simple yet delicious sauce, use 15 ounces of crushed tomatoes. Season it with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, select your favorite toppings, perhaps some pepperoni or fresh vegetables. Don't forget 8 ounces of grated low-moisture mozzarella cheese for that perfect melt. With your dough ready and toppings prepped, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit for that perfect crispy crust. Gently stretch the risen dough into a 12-inch circle. Spread your delicious sauce evenly, leaving a 1/2-inch border. Finally, add your 8 ounces of cheese and all your favorite toppings. Almost there. Once your pizza is out of the oven, a few final steps ensure perfection. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Let your pizza rest for 5 minutes before slicing. This helps the toppings stay put. Garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for an extra touch of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.